Understanding, we come in peace, a phrase of harmony and goodwill. Hello and welcome, dear learners. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, we come in peace. This phrase is not just a collection of words but carries a profound implication of harmony and goodwill. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in books, or stumbled upon it in everyday conversations, understanding this phrase will enrich your English language skills and cultural knowledge. The phrase, we come in peace, is deeply rooted in history and popular culture. It is often associated with extraterrestrial visitors in science fiction movies and books, symbolizing their peaceful intentions towards humans. However, its usage is not confined to fictional scenarios. The phrase has been used throughout history in various contexts, such as diplomatic missions or exploratory expeditions, to convey a non-threatening, friendly approach. At its core, we come in peace is a declarative statement that signifies the absence of hostile intentions. When someone says this, they intend to communicate that they do not wish to harm or cause conflict. It's a way of putting others at ease, promoting a sense of trust and safety. The phrase carries a powerful message of respect, understanding, and the desire for peaceful coexistence. While we come in peace might sound formal or even dramatic, its essence can be applied in everyday communication. You might not use the exact phrase, but expressing peaceful intentions and goodwill is crucial in various social interactions, negotiations, or when entering new environments. Understanding this phrase enriches your comprehension of how language can be used to foster positive relationships and mutual respect. Apart from its literal meaning, we come in peace holds a significant place in popular culture, particularly in the science fiction genre. Its use in films, literature, and media has made it a recognizable symbol of peace and diplomacy. By understanding this phrase, you also gain insight into how language reflects cultural values and how certain expressions can transcend their literal meanings to convey broader, universal themes. In conclusion, we come in peace is more than just a phrase. It's a declaration of goodwill, an olive branch extended in new or uncertain situations. As we navigate through the complexities of language and communication, understanding such phrases enriches our ability to express ourselves and connect with others. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating expression and its place in the English language. Thank you for watching, and may your language learning journey be peaceful and enriching.